Okay, so this is your assignment. Right here, it'll give you an explanation of what to do on your assignment, but I'm going to give you that explanation now. You're going to click on the copy of the slideshow. Okay, and you're going to play the slideshow and you'll hit present. And so Mr. Kavas is going to talk to you whenever it does it. Let me see if I can pause him. Okay. Ah, stop it. So you're going to play the Vincent van Gogh slide and you'll play the video right here. And then you're going to go through all the slides. Okay. Once you go through all the slides, you're going to answer. Let me see if I can get out of this. You're going to answer the Google Classroom form. And on this form, it'll tell you to put in your name. You're going to put in what kind of paint strokes you used, where was Vincent van Gogh from, in your own opinion, was his artwork expressive, and then you're going to create your own artwork. It's going to be based on San Antonio. It's not going to be based on any other city. The last video that you're going to play on the slideshow kind of gives you an idea of what the city looks like, and even it's in fast pace, so there's a lot of strokey lines with the traffic and the lights. And I want you to capture that in your image. Now, you don't have to draw using color if you don't have color, but if you have colors, I would use them because San Antonio is a very bright, bold city. I mean, we have a library downtown that's enchilada red. So you want to use a lot of color in your image. Like I said, if you don't have it, that's fine. You're going to use the paint or you're going to use the pencil as your strokes for your image. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to post this onto your page. And if you have any other questions, feel free to hit me up. Later. I miss you.